walls in your home look like this, covered in mold and white powdery patches, it usually means there's a leak from above, often caused by cracks in the concrete slab. Water seeps through the pores of the wall and pushes outward, creating those white stains. Solution: instead of buying commercial products like No Drop or Aquaproof, you can make a simple homemade waterproofing paste using just 3 ingredients: water, white glue, and Portland cement, the regular black cement used for plastering. Mix water with plenty of white glue, about 1 part cement to 4 to 5 parts glue, and adjust the water as needed. Make the mixture thinner for wide surfaces and thicker if you're filling cracks. Stir the glue and water first, then slowly add cement while mixing until the texture is smooth and even. Press the mixture into cracks using your finger so it penetrates deeply. Then apply it evenly with a brush across the surface to create a waterproof layer. The white glue helps the cement adhere strongly and become hard once dry, making the wall more water resistant, similar to commercial waterproofing products. The results will be shown in the next video once the repaired wall has completely dried.